I think it's been a real important, trip for us, and it's been nearly 20 years now since VoicePoint came into existence, where our focus was always how do we capture what happens between a doctor and a patient. And then about 2.5 years ago, within our strategy group, we were already really looking really closely at AI. And at that point, we brought the Xenon project to life. Building Xenon, which has been built now for over 1.5 years, has been delivering technology excellence that you don't see, but that answers to all the different cases.
When you say the amount of information that's captured in that conversation, that we could be helping doctors with extracting information, helping with administrative burden and so on, it's so aligned. And working with an expert partner that wants to take on that challenge of being the perfect workflow, and we can then be the perfect sort of AI infrastructure layer instead, is really great, because we get to specialize. We get to specialize in the things that we're great at. We're great at doing the machine learning and the validated, compliant, fully sort of resourced machine learning workflow, and you can then build that amazing user experience as well. So tell me a little bit about the specific use cases and the user journeys that you can take on Xenon.
Absolutely. Right from the get-go, the idea is we wanted a single interface. So no matter how you want to use our product, you will find an environment where you can use that product and put it into place. You take the device, you choose instantly what you want to use, and the technology behind is completely transparent. And it's really at that point in time now, I want to do a workflow-based job that needs to go to a specific person, because at that moment, it's my best solution. And the next one is, hey, no, I'm going to capture that ambient. I'm going to look at that summary. I'm going to be able to edit that summary with my voice. That was another driving force behind our solution, that the form factor and the real estate that we give you on devices, depending even if it's a tablet, you don't want to go back to a keyboard. And so with Xenon, our aim was always your voice used everywhere in every interface, whether I'm recording something, getting a result, correcting or amending something, I always use my voice.
We both share that vision of having something that is used day in, day out by some of the hardest workers in society in the healthcare system. I love the alignment that there is between VoicePoint and Corti.
And it's to be able to come up with what Xenon is, a platform with multiple different models and multiple different options that put you in the flow and that doesn't stop you, was the driving force behind that. And for us, I think what lit the spark as well was to be able to sit down with Corti and then realize, hey, we're sharing exactly the same view, that you need to start somewhere, but that you already be able to look where can that trip bring us.